First person motivation. When I decide, I move. When I see an opportunity, I take it. When I know what needs to be done, I execute without delay, without fear, without second guessing. Hesitation is my enemy. Doubt is the killer of dreams. Overthinking destroys momentum. But I refuse to let hesitation control me. I refuse to sit back while others take action. I refuse to waste time waiting for the perfect moment. Because the perfect moment doesn't exist. There is only now. And I move without hesitation. I do not wait, I act. I do not fear failure, I learn from it. I do not overthink, I execute. The world belongs to those who take action. Opportunities are claimed by those who move first. Success is built by those who step forward while others hesitate. I trust myself. I trust my instincts. I trust that no matter what happens, I will figure it out. I do not need every answer before I start. I do not need every detail before I move. I do not need to be ready because action creates readiness. I move first. I move fast. I move with complete confidence. I am not someone who waits. I am not someone who hesitates. I am not someone who lets life pass me by. I take the first step. I make the first move. I create momentum by taking action now. I do not wait for permission. I do not wait for motivation. I do not wait for the right time. I make it the right time. I move toward my goals while others are still thinking about it. I take bold steps while others are stuck in fear. I take control of my life while others let theirs slip away. Because I refuse to be average. Because I refuse to waste time. Because I move without hesitation. I do not second guess. I do not hold back. I step up. I take charge. I execute. I move without hesitation.